Yesterday I did not manage to go and see the waterfall because it was closed. It was closed by 5 p.m. and I got there by like 6 because obviously I was doing shopping for rings and stuff like that. Today I have managed to extend my motorbike thing, scooter thing, so I'm going to be able to go do the Samoeng Loop, I think it's called, which is like really scenic, really awesome to do with the bike, the scooter even, as you can see. We've got it here. It's really awesome viewpoints that we're going to see, get some good coffee, eat some good food, and see some great views. Mum's not coming with me today because she is going to see the markets. You're going to do the markets and the town tour.
Yeah, I'm going to do the Chiang Mai gate first.
The Chiang Mai gate first.
Because it's very close. And then I'm going to walk to the market. Talat Warra.
The Talat Warren market.
And then Lana Folk Life Museum.
And then the Folk Life Museum.
Have a good day.
I shall. On the way I actually got pulled over by the police and they were checking driving licenses and they were checking whether or not people had international driving licenses. Now, I don't have an international driving license, I only have my British driving license. So I showed him that and he said, this is a great license, but for Europe. You can't use this over here, you've got to have an international driving license. Basically, the fine normally costs 1,000 baht. So I pulled out of my pocket 500 and I was like, oh mate, this is all I've got, like, is this okay? And he was like, yeah, don't worry about it. So I just gave him that and he let me drive off into the wilderness, and I have now made it to the first waterfall stop-off point, which is pretty beautiful. I think there's a load more up at the top and you're able to get in and have a little swim about and a cool off because I am absolutely sweating. It's like 1,000 degrees Celsius here, so. So I just stopped off at a strawberry farm and I picked up some dried strawberries that they produce there, which I've already had one. They're incredible. It was only like £2, which is so cheap considering that they're fresh. I didn't even know that Thailand produced strawberries, so I've learned something new there. Anyway, they also apparently produce fresh coffee where they roast it and they obviously make it here as well. So. Could I please get a flat white? Fresh today, freshly made today.
Special menu, lemon and
honey lemon and kahula. What's kahula? Kahula.
Kalua.
Kalua. What is
So
this?
it's a little bit alcohol.
Alcohol?
Yes.
1 p.m. 1 p.m. alcohol. It's too early for that. Maybe at 2.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna try some of this.
Yes.
This looks awesome. So how is Kalua different to espresso martini?
Martini.
You know? You know this word?
I speak English little bit.
Oh, only a little bit. Okay, I need to translate. Are you on a video? You want to take a video while I do it?
Yes.
I'm taking video while I do it as well.
Yeah.
2 videos.
Okay.
Hold on. So this is the, what is this again? What is this? The name?
Swiss hat. Swiss hat.
Sweetheart.
Yes.
So I'm drinking the Sweetheart from... Oh,
The Bosco.
the Sweetheart coffee from the Bosco. And they roast it on site. So this is done fresh this morning, isn't it? Fresh this morning. Okay. It's got alcohol in it as well, so I'm gonna be... Oh wow.
Okay.
That's really good. Get more, get more.
Again.
Nam, come back.
Yes.
Here she is, the founder of the company 10 years ago.
Yes.
And this is the original place that you made it, you grow it here,
Yes.
you roast it.
Yes.
And now she's got a shop in Leeds. You need one in Manchester as well. When is the shop in Manchester coming?
I don't know.
You don't know, you're gonna have to make it happen. People in Manchester, they see it's in Leeds, they'll be like, oh, we want one in Manchester.
Manchester, up to you.
It's up to me, I've got to take it to Manchester. But London as well.
Up to you.
Up to me, it's all up to me. All seriousness, forget the espresso martini, you know this? It's a very, very famous coffee drink, espresso martini. But this is like so much better. What is kahula though?
I show you.
So this is their secret ingredient. Coffee, oh, it's coffee liqueur. Do you make this?
No.
Secret ingredient. So now, I steal your recipe and I make this everywhere. I make this very famous.
Okay.
But I steal it. Kalawa. The secret ingredient to the best coffee alcoholic beverage. I could drink these all day. I could just keep drinking.
Oh, yes.
But I would be... Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Awesome. Bye. 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 Oh, we've got the daughter. This is your daughter. Daughter-in-law.
Adopt just
Adopt.
most of the staff.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we've been studying the Bosco for more people. Now it's time to give to them. You want to visit our coffee farm here? We are having a garden and coffee farm. If you want to have a look.
We are about to do a tour of the actual grounds where they build the where they actually roast the coffee. They make the coffee and they grow it right on site here, and then I just drunk it, so it's as fresh as it can be. What is this?
Coffee shop foods.
Foods.
Yes. Cocoa bar.
Cocoa bar.
Yes. Non-caffeine.
Oh, non-caffeine. Coffee bar there.
Caffeine overall.
Oh, cool. So a
Yes.
cafe, shop.
Yes.
Wow, great.
Baby salad.
Salad.
Salad. Green course, red oak, green oak.
Yeah? And that's these things here. Okay, so when you have the cafe,
Yes.
everything is homegrown.
Yes.
The salad,
Salad.
rosemary.
Rosemary.
Oh yeah, you do. You put that in the drink.
Yes.
So it's all fresh. It's just literally from here. The
Get gooseberry.
Kepuspari.
Yes.
Okay.
You. Chui ding.
The drink.
Yes.
It was in the drink
Yes.
that I drank.
Yes. Salad course.
Salad.
Okay.
We'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. Oh yeah, I've seen this. I said yes. I eat this in salad in Tesco.
Yeah.
So this here is how the baby coffee bean starts. So this takes 5 years
In coffee garden.
in Coffee Garden, and that's where we go next.
Next white tomato.
A white one.
White.
Why is it white?
White.
I only know red tomato. Put that on salad.
You.
We got peppermint here.
Yes. Definitely.
That is definitely peppermint.
Organic. Organic. No.
So it's organic. Yeah, no chemicals.
Yes. Oregano.
Oregano.
Yes.
Ooh, lovely. Great in your spaghetti bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese?
Yes.
Italian dish?
Yes.
I put this in.
Foods, coffee shop.
You'll make this?
Yes.
Oh, dill's amazing in sandwiches. Tuna, you know fish? Fish? In the sea?
Yeah.
Fish? Dill.
Yes.
It's good. This is the time.
Sour passion fruit.
This is my favourite fruit.
Fig.
Oh, fig!
Ah.
Wow.
Okay.
So good. So I love fresh food. I'm gonna keep eating this. I need mosquito repellent because they're everywhere here. So malaria.
Yes,
It's
yes.
not good. We don't want this.
Yes.
You got some as well. You don't need. You don't want.
I want.
You want? Oh, I've got to buy it. What we do for fresh coffee.
Bang coffee.
Coffee bean.
Coffee bean.
That's actual coffee bean. What is this? Is this guava too?
Yeah.
That's a guava.
I don't need it. I need baby cocoa. I make chocolate for you.
To the shop, the man himself. I've had a full lesson on coffee making. Next time I come, you show me how to make it.
Okay.
Just finished up at the Bosco's. That was incredible coffee. If you hire a scooter, 100% do this loop because it's the most amazing views that you will ever see. I've just had so much coffee, so I'm absolutely bouncing around. Now we're just finishing off the route, hopefully get back in time to hand the bike in. If not, I'll have to pay another like 500 baht to like hire it an extra day. Look at this. A full-on elephant. Like, what? Wow, so I've just handed the bike in and I'm kind of like I've just run away. Got in there and out as quick as possible because I did a little bit of damage to the side of the bike. And it kind of fell on my leg and it's like grazed all my leg, like drew blood. I didn't want them to see the bike because I didn't know how much like of the deposit they were going to take off me. Since they took 3,000 as a deposit, I was like, I'm getting that money back. So I literally just went in, signed the paperwork, and then just left as quick as possible. But it meant that I've just had like the most like difficult 5 minutes. Not good. Since I've been like just videoing the whole day and just driving around looking at how coffee's made, I actually didn't eat anything, so I'm absolutely starving. Ended up finding the local 7-Eleven, picked up, oh god, it's leaking everywhere, 27 grams of protein, Thailand's version of the whey protein shake. I'll tell you what, it's good. Thailand is doing what Thailand does best, which is rain and switch up the weather in like the space of 10 minutes. But not to worry, because I've got a brolly, or an umbrella. Brolly. Is brolly like a universal word? Do you guys use that in your country? Let me know in the comment section what you guys call the umbrella in your nation. Do you call it umbrella, brolly?
How was your day?
I was quite panicky.
Pardon?
I was quite panicky leaving the bike place. So I had a bit of a situation with the bike. Why are you panicking? You're like rubbing your lips. You're making me anxious telling you the story. So it drops down, grazed the side of the bike. So I'm kind of like concerned if I'm gonna get a like phone call.
It'll come straight, don't worry.
How much is the t-shirt?
250.
250?
Yes.
Guess how much I pay for this?
How much?
100.
Free?
You can do for me.
You give me 1 million pieces.
She want to buy 1 million piece for 120
20
baht.
baht. Let's try 250.
No!
No problem.
Passion fruit. I want this one. So I got a great deal. 2 t-shirts. Each of them were 200. I got 2 for 400. That is negotiation at its finest. 1 for 200, 2 for 400. So we're in Thailand and we made it to an American bar, sports bar. We're having an American night tonight, aren't we?
No, we've had street food as well.
Is it bad that I'm British and I don't know either of these teams? What have you got there? Draft beer. Oh, it's cooking.
In the kitchen now. Yes.
It's cooking now. How
No,
is
it's
it?
not this table.
How many you order?
Everything. Is everything good?
Meat tempura. You order meat tempura.
What is this pizza?
You tell me number 10, yeah?
Pizza 10
Out of 10 for beer, huh?
She delivers the goods. What have you got there? Squid on the pizza.
Thank you. Yes, please.
Fish on the pizza. Why do you have squid on pizza? Fish. Fish on pizza? No.
Red fish.
Free chicken.
Red pizza.
Seafood doesn't belong on pizza.
Yes, it does.
It's fine to like pineapple on pizza, but fish on pizza is. There's nothing okay about that. There's everything wrong with this. It's not beautiful. You said that before you even tasted it.